Kaleido 1, or Advanced Color ePaper, came out in 2019. It had a variety of different makes, models, and screen sizes. iReader was first with the C6 Color e-reader. Now, once again, another Chinese company, Bigme, has released the first Advanced Color ePaper, Kaleido 2. This is the 10.3-inch Bigme B1 Pro. You can see by the box that this is a very large device, and it's the first device over 6 inches to be using e-ink color. We're of course not going to be counting the early pocketbook color, Ectaco Jetbook, etc. We're talking about mainstream current generation. The box looks textured, so we're just going to open this for the first time on camera with you guys. We have never used this. We know very little about this, and Bigme just sent us our sample to review. So we are as in the dark as you guys, but we hope to shed some light. So opening this up for the first time, the box has a very nice leathery feel. Of course it is not leather, but it does have some textured pattern to it, so it's quite nice. Everything is in Chinese, of course, and we do not know if the device will be in Chinese or English or what have you. There is a very nice box art here with a little passage, and you can use Google Lens or something to go ahead and translate that. Flipping over to the back, it's just all black, and we're gonna just open this up and see what is inside. There it is, the 10.3 Bigme. Of course, elephant in the room is that they're copying the Remarkable, but basically everyone is. iReader, the Onyx Books Note Air, and now Bigme themselves. So we're gonna use this at the very end. We're just gonna explore the rest of the box. We do have some nibs. I don't know if this is just the symbol for they have 2 nibs or there is a numerous amount in there, but we are going to open it up because this is a full unboxing. Opening this up, you do have 2 nibs. It's 2 nibs only with a removal tool, so go ahead and hold on to those. You have some documentation in here on the side. This is likely to be only in Chinese. We do have quick guide, only in Chinese, of course. We'll have to use Google Lens to find out what the pen does and everything like that. Hold on to all this. This is going to be your warranty information, and you do see you have a qualified certificate pass, so it does look like it is ready to be shipped internationally as we received our sample. And we have our USB-C. So that is everything that comes in the box. Now we're going to move on to the second before main attraction, and that is the pen. It's a very heavily weighted pen, and it looks like it is operating off of batteries, perhaps. This does fall. Oh, there you go. So it is a micro USB charge, which they don't give you a cable for. So you will have to charge this, but it is magnetic, as you can see right there. That's really cool. So the cap is magnetic. You do have a power button, a back, a forward, and an erase button combination right there. We, of course, are going to dive into everything that this has to offer in a future review, but for now, let us go ahead and look at the Color ePaper device itself here, and of course do a first-time boot up, because that's what we're all here for. You do have speakers on the back as well, so stereo speakers, and you have a nice chiseled design. You can see right there. Flipping over to the front, you do have 2 status indicators. It might be 1 status indicator and 1 light sensor. We are not sure yet. And you have a nice wine red power button right there, and nothing on any of the sides except the bottom has a USB port. So we're just going to go ahead and do a first-time boot up to show you guys the screen. And after a little bit of a setup process, this is just an example of a preloaded application that is running full color. You can see it just looks like it's some promotional stuff before the application actually starts, but this is exciting stuff because this is the first time we have seen 10.3 inches in color in a consumer available product. If you want to buy this item, it is available on our website at goodereader.com/blog/shop, or you can go over to youtube.com/goodereader and learn more about this in an upcoming review video. For now, this is an unboxing of the Bigme B1 Pro 10.3 inch color e-reader. For goodereader.com, this is Peter.